This video is for the stainless aluminum knob upgrade for the Infiniti. These knobs are pretty hard to pull off by hand. Best way I found to do it was a pair of pliers. Stick it on there. You'll see shortly. Just pull it right off. Did not damage the knob. Try to watch on how you're pulling it. But then I'll show you the knobs we got for the replacements. These guys here. Let's see what they look like. You can just push them on. Same thing. A little bit of a knurl in there. And a little bit of a knurl in there. Let's stick these guys on. Push. And that's it. Seems good. Everything works. Couple more to go. Just push it on there. That's it. They're actually going on pretty easy. I got these on eBay. Actually, not eBay. I got these on AliExpress. They were only a couple bucks. That's two. One more. That's three. One more. Push it on there. And that's it. Everything's pushed on. Everything's in there. And that's it. Those are the knobs. Everything looks good. I may, actually they got little grooves on them, but they spin all the way around, so doesn't matter if you want to match them all up. That's it. Carsmo makes a model. I think they're like $50 for the knobs. I got these for about $6. Not bad. Definitely a decent upgrade. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe.